Have you ever imagined that a simple scientific diagram, something as basic as the human respiratory system, could turn into a highly profitable digital product that people are buying every single day? Well, in today's video, I'm going to share with you one of the most overlooked yet incredibly powerful opportunities in the world of digital products. We're diving deep into a niche that almost nobody is talking about, yet it is generating thousands of sales on platforms like Etsy, Teachers Pay Teachers, Creative Market, and even personal websites. This niche is not saturated, not competitive, and here's the best part. You don't need any design skills, no complicated software, and absolutely no investment to get started. Today, I'm going to walk you step by step through the process of creating high-quality educational illustrations, specifically respiratory system diagrams, using a free tool called Nano Banana Pro, a tool that many people don't even realize offers a full year of access completely for free. We'll explore how sellers are making professional, polished scientific visuals using AI, how I found this niche, why it has such massive earning potential, and how you can create even better designs than the ones currently selling online. I will show you exactly where to find inspiration, how to craft perfect prompts, and how to optimize your images to turn them into digital products ready to sell. And trust me, once you see how simple this method is, you will never look at digital products the same way again. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first online income or an experienced creator wanting a new profitable niche, this is a golden opportunity you simply cannot afford to miss. So grab your coffee, sit back, and stay with me until the very end, because the last part of this video may be the moment that changes everything for your digital business. Let's get started. First, let's go. Based on the video explanation and without making the introduction too long, we will start by going to Etsy. It is a well-known marketplace for selling digital products, especially this type of product. I conducted research on a specific niche, meaning a niche with high profit potential for anyone who wants to sell this type of product, and this is the niche: respiratory system on Etsy. As you can see, there are many digital products created by sellers using artificial intelligence, as you will see in this video. I will show you how to create products that are even better using AI through Nano Banana Pro. But make sure you watch the video until the end so you don't miss this opportunity. This is a great and excellent chance to get a lot of sales in this digital product niche. So, I will click on this product. As you can see, it contains several images, and I have already downloaded this image. As you can see, this image was created by the seller using artificial intelligence. Now we will move to the tool that we will use to create this type of product and sell it on any website, whether it is your own website or other popular marketplaces like Etsy. To use Nano Banana Pro, we will go to this website, and here we can access Nano Banana Pro for free along with many other tools. First, I will explain how to create an account on this website from the beginning. I will log out of this site and create a brand new account using a temporary fake email, so you won't need to use your personal email. We will simply click here. As you can see, this is the website, and I will leave its link below the video. We will click on Sign Up, then choose Email. Next, we will go to this popular website called Temp Mail. We will copy this temporary email, paste it here, and wait for the email. After that, we click Continue, then return to Temp Mail to get the verification code to activate our account. And as you can see here, unlimited Nano Banana Pro for 1 full year using just the email, completely free. This means you will get 1 full year of access simply by using this method. So, as I said, we click Sign Up, then go to Temp Mail, copy the email, paste it here, then click Continue, then Wait Email. Now I will return to the site to get the verification number. As you can see, the code has arrived in the inbox. I will copy this number, return to the website, paste it here, and click Verify. Now the account is confirmed, and as you can see, the site is working perfectly. We will get free credits for Nano Banana Pro, not just Nano Banana, but Nano Banana Pro completely free. So, this is the website, and these are all the available features of this amazing tool. Here you can click this button to download the image or download a video. We will click here on this button. As you can see, it shows Nano Banana Pro. You must make sure it says Nano Banana Pro, not the regular Nano Banana. There are many tools here, and you can choose the quality that suits your work. We will choose the quality we want, and here we will choose this size. You can select any resolution you want depending on the images you want to create. Next, I will go to ChatGPT to get the prompt that will help us create this digital product. I will leave this prompt below the video for free for anyone who wants to start selling these digital products. This is a niche with low competition, and you can achieve amazing sales on any platform where you upload this product. Make sure you choose this size, then select Nano Banana Pro, and then paste the prompt we got from ChatGPT here to create our image. We will wait a little while for the tool to generate our image, and then we will all see the result we will get using Nano Banana Pro for free. It is still creating the image, so no problem. We will wait a moment until it finishes. As you can see here, I had 100 credits, and after creating 1 or 2 images, I now have 78 credits, meaning each image uses a certain amount of credits. And here is the final result we got. Look how accurate and beautiful it is, with extremely high quality.
And there you have it, an incredibly powerful method to create high-quality digital products in a niche with very low competition and massive demand. Using Nano Banana Pro completely for free and with the right prompt strategy, you can produce beautiful, accurate, and professional respiratory system diagrams just like the top sellers on Etsy, and in many cases, even better. If you watched this video until the end, that tells me something very important. You are serious about building a real online income, and you understand the value of discovering unique opportunities like this one. Now it's your turn. I want to hear from you. What niche do you want me to cover next? What type of digital products should we explore in the upcoming videos? Do you want more AI tools, more Etsy niches, more step-by-step tutorials? Your feedback helps me decide what to create next, and together we can build a powerful community of creators who take action and achieve real results. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because trust me, you do not want to miss the next videos coming soon. Like the video if you learned something valuable, share it with your friends who might also benefit from this powerful method. And leave a comment telling me your thoughts, your questions, or the niches you want us to break down in the future. Your engagement supports the channel more than you know, and it motivates me to keep bringing you the absolute best content every single week. Thank you for watching, thank you for your time, and thank you for being part of this journey. Stay creative, stay focused, and I'll see you in the next video.